And what we will see is a number of boats that Cubans came across the 60-some miles, and their boats filled with foam. This season on Cruising Still the One, I'm docking my boat at my house in Cape Coral, Florida, the winter home base for Still the One. My plan this season is to cruise South Florida, including the Florida Keys, the east coast of Florida, and the Bahamas. Come along in my journey and enjoy the beautiful scenery, interesting people, and places along the way. You and I can learn something new through my experiences of a motor cruiser on Cruising Still the One. So today I'm going to visit a botanical garden that's here. So this is the Chapel Memorial, Zapino Memorial Chapel. And what we will see is a number of boats that Cubans came across the 60-some miles. And their boats seeking refuge, 125,000 seeking refuge, journeyed to Florida. Chugs, they're called. Wet foot, dry foot policy, allowing migrants to stay in the U.S. if they reach land. These vessels are chugs that landed in Key West. Wow. A vinyl boat. This one has an engine in it with a through hole. Filled with foam.
so tough.